Talking then a bit about GaN as a drop-in replacement for gallium arsenide, and this is across the different application spaces really. Really important for things like defence again, actually going back to that defence piece, where you've got a limited area on your defence aeroplane. The nose cone typically tends to be in a radar, for example. You have a radar sitting in the nose cone of the plane. That hasn't changed in size. What we want to do is get more power out of that radar, which gives you improved range. It means we can be further from a target to intercept it. It can protect the people inside that plane better because we can intercept missiles, intercept enemy fighters at a much larger distance, all with the same actual footprint as that original gas piece, but now improving that with GaN, dropping in GaN devices directly where you had the gas mimic, finding a GaN mimic, improving that power density and improving the range of that performance for that radar. So really important for that defence type application.